Hi, today I will show you there is two way to how to save screenshots in Windows 10. That's both are inbuilt tools. Like if you have a anything in your window, yeah, any picture, just press start button and type snip SNIP snipping tool. It's a snipping tool. Okay, then that window come and you can press new and drag and drop like this in any area. Okay, that will be snip, and you can save this in JPEG. Type any name. Okay, you can save it anywhere where you want. Okay, save. And second tool is in your keyboard there is a one button like print screen system. Press this button. Okay, where you want to, if you want to print a screen on this display, print screen. Okay, and open paint in your PC. Just press Control B. It's a paste key. Control plus B. This come. Now you can save it. Shortcut is Control S or manually save as. Okay, we'll save in JPEG. You can give any name like image 01. That's it. Thank you guys.